Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I know it's been a while, but yeah. So today I will be talking on integration by parts, part one, and basically I will be using the idea of differentiation, which I believe that you already know how it works. So so just for instance, if you recall well, if you have the derivation of f of x, right? Uh-huh. G of x, you know, yeah, of this guy. This simply implies that you differentiate first x, right? Yes. Then your g of x, right? Then plus um your g prime of x, right? Plus f of what? F of x. Now, I know you could remember this. This is the product rule for derivatives. So this is the product rule for what? For derivative. Product rule for derivatives. For derivatives. Right? So, using this, now since we are dealing with integration, all that I just need to do is to apply the integration with respect to x, since you know this is the independent variable, and f and g are the dependent variables. So if I integrate this, I have d dx with respect to x into bracket f of x, right? G of x, right? Yeah. Mm-hmm. It simply equals to all of this f prime of x, yeah, g of x plus g prime of x, f of x, right? Yeah, dx. Now, this is the formulation, and from here, you know, I can say, sorry, dx is here, dx is here. So, and therefore, this cancels out this cancels out this one. Then you have your f of x, g of x to be equals to the integral of f prime of x, f of x, right? Then g of x, g prime of x, right? Plus x, right? So since this is this linear, then I can split this. I can split star here into f of x, right? G of x equals the integral of f of x, g of x dx plus the integral of g prime of x, f of x dx, right? So, which finally I can say that I can bring this here, I can move this to the other side here to give me f of x g of x negative integral of f of prime of x, yeah, g of x dx equals the integral of g prime of x and sorry, f of x dx. So from here, and now we can see in general so from here, from this equation, we can now define our indefinite integral. So let me say okay, let me use the blue pen. So this is integration by parts indefinite integral. This is indefinite integral. So indefinite integrals are integrals that are without bounds. So yeah, so here we are not having any bounds. Yeah. So from equation star, let me just say, this mark, then I can have integral, right, of f of x g prime of x, right, dx. So from here I'm writing this one first, is equals to f of x g of x minus the integral of f of x g prime of x dx. So this is the equation we'll be using. Please put it in mind. Call it star equation star. So where it is rewritten as u dv is equals to uv minus v du. So where u is what? Is your f of x, where the v here is what? Is g prime of x dx. Your v is g of x. Sorry, let me write this. G of x, right? The u the u is f prime of x dx. So Let's take an example.